Algo Value Expectation 2023. The greatest anticipated cost for Algo in 2023 is beneath $1. Algo cost is anticipated to reach $1.05 in 2025. Most recent Algorand news. Algorand is centered around interoperability for the effective progression of significant worth. Algorand has cooperated with Centrepoint, India's development center with north of 600 corporate accomplices, to help new businesses and laid out organizations in building blockchain-based arrangements. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. 2025, and 2030. Algorand Value Expectation 2023 is 55 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025 is $1.05. Algorand Value Expectation 2030 is $6. Is Algorand a wise venture? Algorand is a 1 lira shrewd agreement, a decentralized blockchain based on a proof-of-stake component. It is intended to rapidly deal with exchanges. Algorand was established in 2017 by Silvio Macaulay, a teacher at the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation and a prominent cryptographer. Algo is the local badge of Algorand, and afterward it is utilized for administration on the Algorand stage. Algo is likewise used to remunerate the ones who stake coins on the Algorand stage. Paying charges on the Algorand platform is additionally utilized. Use instances of Algorand. Reception of Algorand. The reception of Algorand has been an issue because of the exceptionally cutthroat field of 1 lira blockchain. The other issue has been centralization. Algorand is more concentrated than its rivals, and the dispersion of Algo tokens has been poor. Notwithstanding every one of these, there has been developing reception of the Algorand blockchain. We should recollect that Algorand is one of the most youthful decentralized blockchain stages. How is Algorand not quite the same as others? Algorand network is intended to help an exceptionally reasonable climate, and its point isn't to think twice about execution, in spite of ensuring the climate isn't hurt. Being an open source blockchain, anybody can see codes and add to the improvement of the Algorand stage. Staking on Algorand is very basic. In most blockchain stages including Ethereum, one should hold a specific number of tokens to take part in agreement. In Algorand, anybody with an Algo token can participate in the agreement. Rewarding in Algorand is very unique. In most blockchain, rewards occurs as for the quantity of local tokens held by the member, yet in Algorand, rewards are given to the people who stake Algo and take part in all decisions in favor of the span of the administration time frame. Algorand has been very unpredictable throughout recent years. The cost is as of now at an unsurpassed low. While Algorand has various use cases and has separated itself on manageability and genuine centralization, it has neglected to gain ground against other Layer 1 blockchains. This is the way it is put on DeFi 93 million TVL, which places it at 62nd position in the DeFi TVL rankings, with 51 cents million in deals over the most recent 30 days. It is positioned 15th on NFT deals volumes notwithstanding. Algorand TVL has developed during 2022. While most other blockchains have seen a drop, will Algorand reach $100? To reach $100, Algorand should rise multiple times. Is this a colossal figure? Various digital currencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum have ascended by this much or considerably more, so 350x isn't unimaginable. Yet can Algorand rise 350x? The response is no. Unlike ETH and BTC, Algo is in a considerably more cutthroat climate. As an outcome, it positions decently in most use cases, therefore to anticipate that it should rise 350x is preposterous. At a forceful half for each annum, it could require 15 years to reach $100. What is Algorand? Algorand is a self-maintaining, decentralized, blockchain-based network that upholds a great many applications. These frameworks are secure, adaptable and proficient, all basic properties for successful applications in reality. Algorand will uphold calculations that require solid execution assurances to make new types of trust. The Algorand mainnet turned out to be live in June 2019 and had the option to deal with just about 1 million exchanges each day as of December 2020. Algorand exchange measurements can be seen here. Algorand starting coin offering, ICO, was held in June 2019, with the Algorand cost of $2.4 per token. Who are the organizers behind Algorand? Silvio Macaulay is a teacher of software engineering at the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation and the organizer behind Algorand. He is a beneficiary of the Turing Grant in 2012 for his central commitments to the hypothesis and practice of secure two-party calculation, electronic money, digital currencies and blockchain conventions. This makes him one of the premier makers of crypto on the planet. What makes Algorand interesting? Algorand was designed to accelerate exchanges and further develop productivity in light of the sluggish exchange seasons of Bitcoin and other blockchains. Algorand is planned with the goal that there are lower exchange expenses, as well as no mining, like Bitcoin's energy escalated process, as it depends on a permissionless unadulterated confirmation of stake POS blockchain convention. Algorand's similarity with Ethereum. On February 17, 2022, the Algorand establishment reported a $10 million award to Applied Blockchain to foster the London extension, a trustless scaffold that will carry Ethereum's similarity to the Algorand blockchain. Algorand has attempted to draw in liquidity to its environment, regardless of promising minimal expense exchanges, low idleness and high versatility. Having a scaffold to Ethereum, which right now has the most powerful DApp biological system, would permit Algorand to interface with these applications and draw in greater liquidity. In the long haul, the Algorand establishment means to have confirmation of different chains be performed on Algorand's shrewd agreements by consolidating state evidences as reduced endorsements into the Algorand agreement. This establishment will probably at last cement the DeFi biological system on Algorand. Algorand marking system. Unadulterated evidence of stake. Algorand utilizes a sort of confirmation of stake known as unadulterated verification of stake POS. POS is an exceptionally democratized POS agreement strategy with a negligible marking necessity for network interest and security. Just a single Algo token is expected to join. In correlation, Ethereum 2.0 necessitates a base stake of 32 Ether, ETH, a considerably higher hindrance to passage for shoppers. A low least marking necessity, then again, may adversely affect network security, since network clients might be less disposed to act appropriately when they don't have a critical worth marked in the organization. Creation of Algorand blocks through POS validator hubs or picked indiscriminately in unadulterated verification of stake organizations to affirm the exchange information in a block. The Algorand POS agreement technique utilizes a two-stage block-producing strategy that incorporates proposing and casting a ballot. By marking Algo and laying out a substantial support key, each individual from the Algorand organization can take part in the proposing and casting a ballot technique. A handoff hub is a type of Algorand network hub that works with correspondence among support hubs, yet doesn't effectively take part in proposing or casting a ballot. Algorand's local digital money. Algo is the local coin of Algorand and a critical part of its organization geography. The advantages gave to validators to making blocks are isolated and scattered among all coin holders, instead of being granted just to hinder makers, as a component of Algorand's interesting convention engineering. The dispersion of remunerations happens around like clockwork. It is intended to urge individuals to join the Algorand marking stage and smoothen the course to decentralization. To make things more straightforward, clients are not expected to lock their coins as a component of the block assembling and approval process. If they have any desire to acquire motivators, they may essentially keep Algo its true non-custodial wallet, named MyAlgo Wallet. In such manner, Algorand has arrived at close to mechanization, since partners can